Today's word is scream. In Hindi, it means chillana. Example, don't scream so loudly. In Hindi, इतना जोर से मत चिल्लाओ. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Let's warm up our tongues together. Repeat this fun line with me. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. It sounds funny, right? But it also teaches us something. When we repeat even tricky lines again and again, then slowly become easy. And that's exactly what I experienced in these 2 weeks of English practice. Step by step, my sentences started to flow more naturally. Hello friends, in this video I am sharing with you my week 2 and week 3 English speaking practice. I will tell you what I did in these 2 weeks, how I practiced and what really helped me. Let's begin. My 2 week journey. As you know, I am on my 30-day English speaking challenge. Last week I shared with you my week 1 plan. Now it's time for my week 2 and week 3 story. In these 2 weeks, I focused on speaking and grammar, but in a way that felt light and consistent. I didn't want to burn out. So I used only 2 methods: mirror practice, recording myself. Every day I stood in front of mirror, chose around 60 sentences and spoke them aloud. My main goal was to train my tongue and my mind to speak English naturally. Not too much grammar, not too much pressure, just speaking. Here's how I divided my practice. 2 days present tense, all 4 types. 2 days past tense, all 4 types. 2 days future tense, all 4 types. Remaining days revision plus making small stories from these sentences. By the end of 6 days, I had completed all the tenses. The next few days, I revised those sentences and created short stories to connect them. I kept reminding myself progress, not perfection. Every word I speak is a step forward. And at the end of the day, I recorded myself, listened to my own voice, gave me confidence. I could hear the small improvement each day, and that feeling kept me motivated. Also, I made one more important decision. In these 2 weeks, I did not follow shadowing or notebook writing because if I try everything together, I get tired. So I kept it light, just mirror practice and recording. And honestly, this balance worked for me. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. It means small daily efforts add up to big results, just like my 14 days of practice. Now, I would love to know, how do you practice English daily? Write one method in comments, or if you feel shy, just drop a smiley to show you're learning with me. Together, step by step, we are growing in this journey. Thank you for watching. See you soon.